Right, hello, I'm Gamer Guy Max, and this is...
What's up, internet? I'm NiftyGamer. Got my booze ready to play some worms with my bro here.
we're NiftyGamerProductions, or NiftyGamerProduction because of YouTube's character stopping how many you can have. So yeah, we're playing Worms 2 Armageddon. So this will probably be our first video before we become rich and famous now. I doubt that'll even happen.
Hey, bitches love nerds. And more specifically, bitches love nerds who make videos in bedrooms and front rooms and put them on the internet. We're gonna get all the bitches.
Right, I'm hosting a game.
Okay. Need an invite.
Why can't I invite you? Oh, now I can.
There you go. Give my little team of snuff masters another go out. See if I can kick your ass again.
Did you change the name?
I only changed Cypheria's name to Gavin Free. We only do surrounded by a lot of bitches, which is the only time it'll ever happen to Gavin.
Okie doke.
Ready up, baby.
Let's do this.
I hope my team name doesn't get censored again.
Yeah, for viewers who are watching might not know, I did a test recording and Jake's team was a load of porn stars.
Still is, baby, apart from one.
My team are a load of games, basically, that I think are quite good. So, if you're watching this as your first video, there's the difference between me and him right there.
What have I got? I've got fuck all. Good! Good! Yeah, fuck you times this. If Gavin's gotta take the hit, he's gotta take the hit.
Also, though...
No! Oh, I survived that. I didn't take any damage.
Was a score.
Also, there's a bit of game voice lag that's actually part of the game and not part of my recording, so...
Oh yeah, everything that happens on your screen happens first.
Yeah, or if it's his turn, it happens first for him. So basically, he'll react to something late on my screen, I'll react to something late on his screen. Really odd, but you'll get to grips with it, hopefully.
So explaining shit.
Sorry, I can't help.
Going. What are you gonna do to me? What are you gonna do to me? Yeah. Leave Gavin alone.
What do you mean, Gavin Free?
Team slow-mo, guys. No. It won't go off yet. Oh no, well, fuck. Ah!
Go away!
Gavin has the high ground.
Perfect!
Lexi Bell! Who have I got next? I think it's... Who's up? Oh, Team Munt!
Jenna...
That name didn't get censored.
Team Bun.
That'll do. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Jenna Hayes. Hit the team.
Jenna Hayes took a little bit of collateral damage there.
No! Oh, fuck.
Ow! Ow!
Yeah, I lost all the health, almost all the health, extra health. Oh shit, she took 29 damage, that's not good.
No one ever uses the fire bottle, it's useless.
10 seconds later.
I love the fire. Petrol bomb, I love the petrol bomb, me.
Huh?
Fair enough.
Nah. Gotta hit, live. Got this.
Oh, bollocks.
Oh, Lexi Bell! Yes!
Oh.
Lexi Bell has survived to live another day.
God damn it.
And blow some dudes. Let's go. Oh, Jenna Hayes is next, and Gavin's next after that.
Hello!
Oh, bitches.
So Jake, how do you know all the team names so well?
Hey! Shut up. When you... yeah, fuck it.
What was that
okay.
one called that's in Saints Row the Third?
I don't know.
I've forgotten her name, but she's actually a famous
What's a grenade?
ex-porn star
No one
who's
saw.
doing the voice acting,
Oh, she is, yeah.
which made me laugh quite a lot.
There's actually quite funny where she used to go around where she changed to become an actress and something else. I can't remember what else she did. She released a couple of books, and at one point she ended up touring some like elementary schools and secondary schools as well.
What was she gonna say? I'm an actress. Well, a porn star.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, saying like there was controversy because all the parents complained that essentially their kids were being taught by a porn star.
They were.
Being taught to by a porn star. They didn't really like that. The choice, leave Jen Hayes alone.
I'm leaving her alone.
It was
Don't worry, I'm
supposed to
going
be a
for
routine pickup.
Ava Divine. Sorry, your dog's barking.
Yeah, it is.
Can't see the edge of the lid there. I need to zoom out. Oh, there we go. No, that doesn't help. Your name's blocking where I can see. I can't.
10 seconds.
Hey.
Oh, I've done it
My
again.
plan with that is a plan all along.
This is why.
I gotta
This is
get
what.
away. Did you just... Oh, you're an idiot.
Get you.
This is why.
Did you just kill
This
your
is
word?
why they're called Nifty Gamer
Kill your
Attempts, because they're not really plays. They're more attempts because we can't play the game.
Oh, Canafodder's got 69. Convenient. Oh, Gavin's free. Okay. I forgot. What have I got? Got nothing. Oh, there it is.
You can't kill time splitters unless you call it free radical.
Yes! No! I may have hit Lexi Bell.
Ew. Brilliant, sir.
Might have hit Lexi Bell. Oh,
86 for
40, that's
Lexi
not
Bell.
good. The mine and the explosive barrel did not help.
It wasn't a threat. It was
Lexi Bell's in a bit of trouble.
Invisibility.
Oh, Lexi Bell's in trouble. Oh god, Gavin's in trouble. Oh, bollocks. Where did he go? Where did he all go?
You don't know, do you?
I don't know.
Good.
Leave Jenna Hayes alone.
Oh, my entire team's teleported. Sorry, not teleported. My
Yeah,
entire team has disappeared.
it has.
Right, I didn't know. Pretty handy that.
It's a random teleport or your whole team teleports, isn't it?
Yeah, no, that's an emergency teleport. I've just used invisibility.
Yeah, your whole team teleports. Where are they? Oh, Lexi Bell!
Scramble, scramble.
Yeah, it is Lexi Bell. Oh, it's gonna go badly. Oh god! Didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that.
Again,
still alive.
this is why it's called Nifty Gamer Attempts.
Reinforcements.
He's still alive. Leave it at that. There's Gavin. Oh, Gavin's in a bad place.
10 seconds in the beginning. There were worms.
I found one of your worms. It's right in front of me.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I don't like this. No! No!
Wasn't the sharpest tool.
Ah, cannon fodder. I see you now.
It fell from the sky.
Oh, Mr. Miyagi. Show me clean the gutter. Oh!
Scramble, scramble.
Whoop! Whoop! Oh, you are going down. Good. No, no, no. Walk all over time.
Nearly jumped off the cliff.
Go! Yes! Yes!
Ew!
My plan all along. That's perfect aim. Goodbye, cannon fodder.
2 for the price of 1.
Ew! It was a moment of madness that ended in
Lexi Bell, not Lexi Bell, for Christ. Ava Devine knows this shit.
10 seconds later. It wasn't a threat. It was just a...
Ava Devine knows how to take 2 dudes out.
Of course she does.
You know
It's
what I
her
mean?
job.
No, Gavin!
Sorry, Gavin. Did you see how high he went there, by the way?
Oh, that's that. Gavin. You were loved by all. Idiot though.
Loved by only men.
The only British guy on that team. I know, yeah, my only guy dead.
See the guy playing with the women or the guy playing with the guys?
I have no idea. Well,
Where do you get these names from? Seriously.
hey. Well, Lexi Bell's from Ray's from the Rooster Teeth Worms player. That's how I found out Lexi Bell. I can't remember the other two. Go! No! So
You know what's gonna
close.
happen though? People are genuinely gonna go on the internet now and look up some of these names thinking they're all porn stars.
They are.
There'll be people there going, wait a second. Jenna Hayes? Oh my god, I was watching that last night. I wondered why that name was familiar.
I couldn't get any duller. It wasn't a threat. It was just an order.
I may be winning, but my team's in a bad way.
Yeah, they're all in a bad way.
Wasn't a...
Lexi Bell's got no health. That was Ava Devine. I think Ava's going down. Oh, maybe not. Oh, Lexi Bell.
Oh, leave me
I'm determined to win this first round because after this we'll have to end the record. Or maybe sooner because we're not finished.